Thanks, James and Stephen. It's really exciting to see how you've given your audience an ability to nerd out over development, as you said. And, whether it's about community engagement or stakeholder buy-in, Giraffe has always been about collaboration. And now we've made that easier than ever with the release of live cursors. I'll give James a second to pull up that screen so we can demo for you, because it's very exciting. So now you can invite your whole team to collaborate and design in real time. There's no more siloed projects. There's no more asking a designer to move that building to the right. Now you can just jump right in together and co-author at the speed of conversation. You can see here a project where we've got a bunch of our Giraffe team members just building away. And as you draw and design, everything updates live, and it's just an excellent addition and really supports that collaborative aspect of design and development. And that's not all we've got for you. So to support and enhance our community of Giraffe users, which is you all, we also have a new place for you to connect. I'm very excited to introduce the Tower, which is our Giraffe Slack community. We chose the name The Tower because it is the name of a group of giraffes. So we're all a group of giraffes together. James is going to throw up here a QR code for you to join that network, where you can learn from your peers, you can get exclusive Giraffe content, and grow your network by connecting with other Giraffe users. So I'm also going to paste the link to join in the chat, and we'll send out a link as well after the summit. So come on in and stay a while, and we can't wait to get to know you better.